Hi, my name's Todd Sanjul. I'm here from Microsoft and proud to show you an application we've been working on for the Ford Hackathon called MapRadio. So MapRadio, the idea behind MapRadio was we wanted to turn the connected car into a contextual car. So contextual meaning the car knows you. We heard from the Ford App Developers Conference that people want to have a personal relationship with their car. They want their car to know them. And so that's kind of the background behind MapRadio. So the first thing MapRadio does is personally greets me when I jump into the car. It knows it's me and not my wife because of the phone.
Good afternoon, Todd. Cloudy weather is expected. The road conditions should be good, but please remain focused.
So it greeted me by name. It told me what the local weather was, and if I would have an appointment, for example, that morning, it would tell me what my appointment was. It would also look at the traffic and detect if I might be late for my meeting. So we then start playing music, and in this case it's my LA playlist, but if my kids were strapped in the back seat, it would detect that their seatbelts were on, and instead of my playlist, it might default to a kid's playlist. These are songs my kids like. Now when I drive to work in the morning, I like to kind of get caught up with my news. And what we've done is we've integrated our app with the Feedly newsreader app so that I can get my personalized news headlines first thing in the morning. And so this is going to load real-time my news headlines, and it's going to use Google text-to-voice to read the headlines. And if I would want to hear the full story, I could just either click the read button or just say read, and I could hear the full story. One of the other things we've done with MapRadio is we've created a second screen experience. So the idea here is if you got a passenger in the front seat, kids in the back seat, we feel like there's a lot of scenarios where it could be an interactive car experience where I'm driving, I need to be listening to the application, but there could be scenarios where my wife could be actually reading the stories that are being announced. With MapRadio, we try to anticipate things. So, for example, if the kids are acting up in the back seat, we could detect that there is an unusual amount of activity, and, for example, prompt them with some entertainment. So in this case, we prompted them with a trivia game or a joke. We've also got audio storybooks to distract them.
Number of medals in the 2012 Olympics. Well done. USA is the correct answer.
We've got a lot of other features integrated into the experience. We've got traffic, we've got weather, we've got a lot of scenarios around points of interest. So for example, if I'm running low on gas, it will tell me where the closest gas station is, the cheapest gas station is. One last scenario I want to show you is integrating points of interest. So for example, if I'm driving past a movie theater, the movie theater may have provided a sponsorship to let app-link users know that there may be a special coming up at that theater. So it could tell me that
Penguins of Madagascar is playing at the Regal Entertainment at 5:45 p.m. and there is a special for Ford App-Link users. Would you like to buy tickets? How many tickets would you like to buy?
So I just bought tickets to the movie, and my kids in the back
confirmed.
seat can watch a special trailer of the movie. So that's MapRadio. Again, trying to take the connected car and turn it into a contextual car. Thank you very much.
Visit appalliance.org